Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So guys, here you can see I've selected this video. To change the aspect ratio, click on this sequence and click on sequence settings. You can change the aspect ratio to like social media reels, just like make it 1080 and make this 11920 1920. Click on OK, again OK, and as you can see it is like a social media reels. But if the guy just like goes there in the right side, you can see, you won't see this, and for that you need to just change the scale and this also the positions. But there is a way you can just do it for the Premiere Pro. The Premiere Pro will do it your thing. Just change the sequence again. You can change the sequence or you can cancel it. Just click on this sequence, and here you can see auto reframe sequence. Click on it and you can just change this target aspect ratio, change it to like 1916 and click on create. Like this you can change the this option. You can make it like this, and after that you can just see it like this. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.